If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. Early spring, we're going to plant some radishes and beets together, kind of an intercropping situation in our raised bed from rootmaker.com. The soil, we've got good loose soil. I've worked it since the last couple of years. We haven't really done much with it. So we're going to plant. We've got irrigation running through the bed, and that's on a system here. So how I'm going to do this, you could take your hand trowel or whatever and make rows. I'm just going to take, you can take a piece of pipe, a limb, a twig, whatever, and I'm just going to make an indentation about a ½ inch deep every 6 inches. This will be for the beets. And you can see how that is with the rows there. And then I'm going to take, and I'm just doing normal, just Detroit red beets. I'm going to place them about every 3 inches because they're going to get big. And we're also going to have to thin these out because each one of these seeds represents multiple plants or multiple potential plants. That's just the way nature has done it. And if you don't thin them out, then you won't get any bulb development. All right. Now, before we cover them, I'm going to make another row here. This will be for the radishes. Now, the beets are going to take about 60 days to mature. Radishes will take between 25 and 30 days to mature, and we can get those out before the beet so you can get 2 crops in one, the intercropping aspect of it. Now, these seeds are extremely old. These are Easter egg radishes, so I'm really going to plant them heavy and with the hopes that I can get something to grow. These are 7-8-year-old seeds here. So I am really plastering them in deep. Now, if you had new seeds on the radishes, you would go about every 2.5, 3 inches. With old seeds, put them in heavy, use them up, and try to see what you can get to germinate. So that's how we're going to do the rest of the bed. You don't need to see it because you've just saw it. That's how we're going to do the beets and the radishes. 2 different harvests or 2 different varieties in the same area. Intercropping, growing a fast-growing crop next to a slower-growing crop, maximizing your space that you have available. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.